Travel has a way of turning ordinary moments into lasting memories. A new place, a beautiful view, a spontaneous adventure, and the little moments in between. Looking back, it all feels like one beautiful story worth remembering. Hello Filmora creators, and welcome to Tube Media Tutorials. I've created this unique travel composition using the new multi-frame feature in Wondershare Filmora 15. Let me show you how. First, import your travel clips onto the video track. There is no need to trim or modify the footage. Head to the effects resource, then look for the new category called multi-frame. These effects can transform your travel footage into a highlight-style trailer, giving viewers a glimpse of what to expect while presenting a broader view of the entire journey. They also add a polished visual quality that can make your content far more engaging. To apply an effect, simply drag and drop one onto a video track. Now, the most crucial part is selecting the right video track. Since we want to create the multi-frame composition using the clips on video track 1, make sure it is selected correctly. And as you can see, the result is stunning. If you notice, the background mode is turned on, so the video on the lower track also works as the background. The Spiral Staircase 2 creates a beautiful carousel of video clips. So, depending on the number of clips and the overall theme of your video, select the multi-frame effect that best suits your content and apply it. There are also comic panel effects, as well as grid-style multi-frame compositions, giving you plenty of creative options. Now, let's say I want this gallery view effect to use only these 5 clips. So I place these 5 footages onto the video 3 track, and then change the track number of the effect from 1 to 3. There, as you can see, the effect now includes those clips only. So, this is how I created the composite travel trailer. I've also created this visually striking video with rhythm-driven pacing using another newly introduced feature in Filmora 15 called beat ramping. Let me show you how it looks without the effect. The contrast is clearly massive. The combination of impactful effects, speed ramping, and beat-driven movement gives the video a much more energetic character and creates an eye-catching opening to capture your viewer's attention. After selecting a video clip and double-clicking it, head to the speed setting. There, you'll find the beat ramping feature. Please note that this tool appears only after you select a clip. There are several presets for you to choose from. For the first video clip, I want to apply the flash mode. The beats in the music are automatically detected, and you can choose the beat frequency from here. I'll keep the default normal speed ramp speed, the slow down speed ramping style, and 50% intensity. The result is striking, immediately giving the footage a more rhythmic and engaging feel. For this clip, I used Soul Out. I changed the speed to faster and increased the intensity to 60. Let's see the result. So, this is how the new beat ramping feature can create mesmerizing videos, transforming ordinary clips into beat-driven fast-cut edits that capture attention almost instantly. Try the new multi-frame effects and beat ramping features in Wondershare Filmora 15. This brings us to the end of today's episode. Happy creating!